Fix Discord no root RTC connecting. When you try to join a voice channel, but Discord gets stuck saying RTC connecting. First, open Discord and click on User Settings. Go to Voice and Video and scroll all the way down and you'll see an option labeled as Reset All Voice and Video Settings. Just click on it to reset and confirm when prompted. After resetting the voice settings, completely close your Discord and make sure it's not running in the background. Just right-click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. From here, just go to Process and just search for Discord and just right-click on the background process and click on End Task. This ensures Discord is fully closed before restarting it. Another helpful step is clearing your DNS cache. Just go to your Windows search bar and search for Command Prompt. You can just type CMD and run it as an administrator. And in the command prompt, just type the following command. Type ipconflict/frushdns and hit enter. This clears cache network data that may be causing connection issues. And once that's finished, just close the command prompt and try opening Discord once again, and then try joining the voice channel again. If the issue only happens in the specific server, just go to your Discord server and right-click on the voice channel. Just right-click on your voice channel and click on Edit Channel. Just go to Overview. From here, scroll all the way down and you'll see an option labeled as Region Override. Just click on the drop-down and change it from Automatic to another region such as Brazil or any other server nearby. Then click on Save Changes. If none of these steps work, you can just uninstall the Discord and reinstall it again and try joining the voice call once again. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.